As the world's leading provider of resilient rubber flooring, we've spent decades developing products and solutions designed to keep your working environments safe, healthy, and comfortable. But traditional maintenance methods can be disruptive, especially in healthcare, where regular, consistent cleaning regimens are essential. That's why we've improved upon our water-based Nora Pro Clean system. Introducing the Nora Pro Steamer. We've packed the cleaning power of steam into a compact, easy-to-use piece of equipment that helps you cover more ground throughout your facility. The Nora Pro Steamer eliminates the need for harsh chemicals and solvents, so it can be used anytime, even in occupied patient spaces. The quiet, non-disruptive cleaning power of steam gives you the ability to deep clean smaller spaces and hard-to-reach areas while still supporting a calming, healing environment. More regular cleaning routines help to enhance your infection control efforts and create a better patient experience. And because the Nora Pro Steamer runs on water alone, there is no smell and no volatile organic compounds. That means improved indoor air quality for patients and caregivers. With the new Nora Pro Steamer, there's nothing standing between you and a safer, cleaner healthcare environment.